And here we are at another table at the 2023 Solvang Custom Knife Show. And we have Michael West. And if you look at that flag right there, Michael is from Denmark. So Michael, tell us about some of the beautiful knives you have here with us today.
Yes, I have in CA, mammoth is forbidden. And I use a lot of mammoth normal, but I also use stone. So I have made some knife with stone. You can see this one we have to start in the other way, like here. It's the best here down here. See
now, what kind of stone is that?
It is actually called monk stone. The monks made it in the old days by stone and glass. So it's a man-made stone.
Wow.
Yes.
And over here...
And you should see this because, you see, it's not really sharp, people say, but you see the knife in the sheath.
That is a very unique sheath.
Yes.
It is very, very unique.
It's all silver.
Now, that's a belt clip, right?
That's the belt clip. It could hang in the belt, or you can put it in and just have it on stand at home.
That's pretty handy. That is very, very handy. It's called the Starry Night.
Starry Night.
Now, what caught my eye over here is this stingray. Is that stingray?
It's stingray.
It is stingray.
Inlaid in a leather sheet in a silver fitting.
Silver fitting.
Can I turn it? You see?
Yeah.
You see it's the Nordic style with the stitch on the back, and made this hinge in silver. Belt clip, belt strap, and the knife is Danish steel blade from powder steel, Danish steel, powder damask.
Powder damask.
Yes.
And this, once again, just to let everybody know, Denmark does not allow. You're not allowed to use mammoth.
No, it's in California.
Oh, in California,
it's forbidden.
It's forbidden.
So I made.
Oh, so you use
knife.
stones
Yes.
in lieu of that. Well, that's. But I'm telling you, this is some really beautiful stuff.
Yes, this is. If you, I don't know if I can do like this. You can see how it brittle and sparks in the light.
Yeah. Unfortunately, everybody at home, the lighting here does not do justice.
Oh, that's right.
But what I'm telling you, the way that this is faceted, and there's a ridge line right down there, and this catches light, and it does shine.
And it is a new mite from Greenland, in Greenland, and it's as far as I know the oldest stone on this planet.
Oh, Odin stone.
Oldest.
Otis.
Yes, oldest stone on this planet. It's from Greenland, the new one.
And then you have an autumn leaf here. I really like the color of your sheath.
Thank you. It is Nordic style, stitch on the back, and it's formed on the knife while it is wet.
So it has an incredibly tight fit.
Yes, it does. It just fits the knife. You can do.
On that, you feel that final push in, that's seated.
Yeah.
That is not going anywhere.
A little snap.
And here you have two kitchen knives. We have Under Moonshine, and we have the Rose. And you can see the shine on this Damascus, as well as on this.
And this wood, this beautiful tulip wood cross-cut.
Yeah, you can really see
Yeah.
the rings of the tree.
Yes.
And what is this handle made of?
It's ebony.
Ebony.
And silver inlay.
That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then finally, over here, and this one is called the Ambonious Chef. And this one is got some high shine.
Yeah.
And finally, Purple Haze in honor of Jimi Hendrix.
And it's agate stone. Also in silver. Framed
And that's
in
full
silver.
tang, right?
Yeah, that's full tang.
Full tang. Oh
You
boy.
can see how dark the steel actually are
It is.
compared to the silver.
That is gorgeous, Mike. Well, Michael, how do we get a hold of you?
Sorry?
How do we get a hold of you?
Oh, it's easy. My company is West Knives. So Facebook West Knives, Instagram West Knives, or westknives.com.
Also, I'm going to go ahead and get a good close-up to this. So if you can go get another phone, you can get up on this QRC and go straight over to his website.
You go to this knife on the website.
Oh, this QR code goes to this knife. So all of the knives that I showed you here today, these QR codes will take you straight over to them. So please check them out. Mike, thank you so much and have a nice day.